I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up direct deposit for your Shopify Payouts can streamline your payment process. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Log into your Shopify account. Start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you allow manage all your store settings. Step 2. Navigate to settings. Once logged in, go to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on settings. This will take you to various options for your store. Step 3. Select payments. In the settings menu, find and click on payments. This section is where you can manage how you receive payments from your sales. Step 4. Choose Shopify Payouts. Scroll down to the Shopify Payouts section and select it. Here, you will see options for setting up your direct deposit. Step 5. Enter bank information. Fill in your bank account details, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double check these numbers to avoid any errors. A common mistake is entering the wrong routing number, which can delay your payouts. Once you've completed these steps, you should be all set for direct deposits to your bank account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify support. Happy selling!